Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new folder in your account on Whimsical. So let us dive into this. Start by heading over to Whimsical, for example, via the web version. Here in the top left corner, select your workspace. And then guys, here inside your team, you can create a new board, new doc, and also a new folder. You can do this here. And place the folder here, for example, right? So click into it, and then you will see that random folder name. So you may rename it by right-clicking into it. Name it example boards 2, press enter. That's it. You can also add a subfolder by clicking into this plus button, click into folder, and then expand the folder, rename the subfolder to sample subfolder 2, press enter. That's it. Now if you'd like to move items from your team, like boards or docs, drag them into the given folder like this, and then they will stay in the given folder. So guys, as you can see, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.